we've been here a day. The weather got the best of our shelter last night, and we've had to do some running repairs on the damn thing. Broke that one. This is only a cheapy one, this one. I keep saying to her, need a proper one in here, need a proper one. But yeah, but anyway, it survived. We're still here. Got a bit of bendage going on. Look, got a bit of bendage. Apart from that, we survived the night. Nice bit of rain, big thunderstorm, massive, sorted. But we got the we got a bit of lamb. Going to be on the go in a minute. We're going to put in the UDS and a great big pork rib. But anyway, yeah, we're here. Meet and greet 2018. For those of you who didn't or aren't able to come, you're going to miss a really good event. A lot of these guys over here didn't even go to bed last night partying. Old birds on the go over here. We're cooking. Can't see.
Breakfast, bacon egg, just for breakfast.
Just on the gas, there's a bit noisy. Didn't even like the doings for that, but there you go. But yeah, let's see what we can find out here. Hang on, come out here, look. Right here, look. Little camp, look. Here we go. Oh look, 2 birds. There we go. We survived. It's a bit windy today, but still a lovely day. It's actually really cool. It's quite nice. Not too hot like it was the last few days, so it's quite pleasant really. Yeah, let's go up here, see what this is up here. Look. Hang on, we got, looks like a barbecue pit boy up here, look.
Across.
Say hello.
Good morning. Hello.
Did you survive?
I survived, but there was some beardy bloke kept me up quite late, and then he left me with Ty.
Well, there you go.
So later on, I will be going to bed. Until such time as I've got my relentless.
It's him. It's him. See that bloke there?
That beardy bloke.
Dodgy geezer.
Dodgy out.
Hey, you're the one who kept me up talking in the morning as well.
Well, there you go.
Yeah, you cheated. You had half a bloody kit on, didn't you? You came out in your jammies, didn't you?
I did.
But there's some
Jimmy Jammies.
some homemade smokers going on here.
Yeah, I've got some well, that black pudding fatty cooking at the moment.
Oh gosh, you're falling over guy ropes here.
So you've just gone on.
There we go.
Bit of breakfast with the kiddos.
And then we've got
Keep them happy.
last night's pork, which is still ticking over.
I might try that.
So that's what, that's like 12 or 14 hours that's been on now. So
Nice.
another, no,
About 1.5.
That long?
yeah, about that long, about a bit of string long, I reckon that's going to be done. Yeah,
I think we're expecting trouble. Look.
Yeah, that's
at least our gazebo,
safety.
at least our gazebo stayed up.
Yeah. It was manhandled up.
I think it's time to go and wake Ty up.